Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me. Today I decided to share a tip with you because I don't want you scrubbing. Yes, we like to keep our houses clean and I guess we don't mind cleaning our houses, right? But when it comes to the bathtub or the bathroom, I'm the kind of person that I just want to be in and out of cleaning the bathroom because the bathroom is not one of my favorite places to clean. I have purchased the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Which are these. This one comes with 4. I believe I purchased this in Walmart if I'm not mistaken. Now this is the bathroom Febreze, and it smells very, very nice. And I think, having this, it just eliminates like any other products because I only have to clean with this my bathtub and with this my sink. But we're talking about a bathtub here, so let's keep the focus. There is a lot of scum in the bathtub, in the bathroom, and I'm going to show you like it's how dirty it is, and I want you to see how it comes out after I use this product. So you will be the judge of it. You'll decide if you like it. I know there's tons of products out there, but moms, I'm just only showing you what I like to clean with, okay? So come on, let's go ahead and clean the bathtub. All right, so the bathtub is looking right now like this, and the walls need some help, not much, but like right there, there's buildup right there. You see? And I just wanted to share with you how this magic eraser works. Okay, so you are gonna be seeing with me what it does. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the tub itself. All right, so let's go ahead and put some water on it. Turn off the water. Use some of this, and I'm gonna try my best to have the camera and show you what it does. So right here, you see? You're seeing it, right? Now, just in case that is not there, that is just the lighting in here. But let's go ahead and try it right here. You can already see the dirt all trapped in there. And this is hardly no effort. Hardly no effort. You can go ahead and give it a quick rinse. There is this, and here's the sponge. And you're seeing it. So it works wonderful. This is a must-have, ladies. Especially now that it's summer vacation and we don't want to be all day scrubbing. Alright, so there you have it. Like I said, the bathtub is scratched, but it did pretty good. Everything looks all shiny. Alright, so that was my secret in how I clean my bathtub. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would like to have you be part of my YouTube family. And if you know someone who you can share this video, go ahead and share, because we need to be in our bathrooms and clean and just be out, okay? So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll check you out in my next video. Peace.